What is up, guys? Hey, I just wanted to come at you. We're starting another video today. I'm doing Steve Cook Summer Sizzle. I'm walking around outside right now because it's absolutely beautiful outside. Yeah, it's great out here. But yeah, I'm starting Steve Cook Summer Sizzles. It's an 8-week program. I'm very excited about it. We'll go into a little bit of detail. We'll have some other videos coming up talking about why I have been so active. If you're close to me in Kinsley, you probably already know what we've been doing. But Steve Cook Summer Sizzle, I'm going to try and do a video every week. So it'll be 8 videos kind of summarizing the week, how it's going, kind of like what I'm waiting at, whatever, if that's something you care about. Showing the workouts, going over the nutrition part of it, what I've been eating, and all that fun stuff. There's prizes in this challenge. If I don't win, I don't know if I'll win. I'd have to be drastically different than what I was. But if I don't win, I'll be excited. I'll be happy still because I'm learning a lot about nutrition. That's one of my main goals, is learn a little bit more about nutrition, get back on the tracking my foods, get better with tracking my foods, and learning more. Just kind of trying to learn a little bit more about what's in types of foods, and trying a new workout regimen or routine. I'm very excited about that. So without any further ado, we're gonna get this sizzle started. Coming at you now. What's up, guys? Day 3 of the Summer Sizzle. We got Jackson here. He's not working out with us.
Nope.
But Dalton is.
What's up, guys?
So we're going in arms, abs, and some cardio. We already did a little bit of abs. Here we have a gym bay in her natural habitat. What's up, guys? Hey, it's day 4, week 1, day 4. We got this interval weight training today. We are in here getting after. We already ran 3.5 miles a day, just making that known. But we got a little bit of everything. I did a couple sets, already warmed up. Just wanted to kind of see what it was going to be like before I pulled up the camera and started filming. So we're going to start filming a little bit, show you what we're doing, and we'll probably see you tomorrow. If not, we'll see you a little later. What up, guys? We just finished up the interval weight training. I only filmed kind of like the main cool lifts. I didn't really film the running. It's pretty boring. You really don't want to see me run for 25 quarter of a mile. That's not fun. We don't have a rower, so I had to substitute the bike for that, and I didn't film that either. Did the abs. That was tough and boring. Didn't want to film that. But yeah, I would say it was a pretty good day. A little sweaty, so we'll wrap it up. We'll see you guys tomorrow on the next one. This morning we have a hamstring focused leg workout. Getting it in over here. I'll show you a little bit what it is. It's the last day of week 1. Week 1's done. I'll be back up here tonight and do my cardio. But the leg workout was fun. We did a couple more sets of deadlifts than what it called for. We did some leg press as well. Finished with that because we like it. How you feeling?
Dead.
He's dead. So make sure you like the video if you enjoyed this. We're gonna be doing these every week. So we got 8 weeks of these coming up. Subscribe if you're new. Obviously subscribe if you're not new and you just haven't done it yet because you don't know you have a Gmail account. I don't know, you probably do.
Hey, make sure to ring that bell.
Ring the bell too, so you can get notified when I upload more videos. Got more videos coming. But I think, yeah, we're gonna wrap it up and we'll start back on Monday. We'll see you Monday.
Later, guys.
See you Monday. Peace. So, a tree limb just fell. There's this damn car.